Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Fedal bin Othman. I am studying at Polytechnic Batin Selangor. I am doing my MOOC for Communicating English 2. Today, I would like to give you a comparison between dictionary is mechanical pencil and wood pencil. Comparison between this dictionary is mechanical pencil made from plastic, which can be used in long-term period. Compared to wood pencil, it cannot be used in long-term period. Another comparison is mechanical pencil also can be used as a eraser. It have soft execution that can be used to erase in pencil, while the wood pencil don't have. Besides, mechanical pencil can be refilled in the inks run out, but the wood pencil must be sharpening. That's all. Thank you.